Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shavik. Good morning,
Good morning,
everyone.
ma'am.
Good morning, Shavik.
How are you, ma'am?
Good morning, Bushra. I'm absolutely fine, beta. How are all of you?
I am also fine, ma'am, but I have small cough and. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody.
I have small cough.
Oh. Get
Ma'am,
well
this
soon,
is which
Bushra.
period?
Today, I'm
Ma'am, this is
thinking
which
that
period?
why don't we go for maths? Because our
Yes,
exam
maths.
today is actually a science class, but I was thinking, why don't we study maths today? Because
Yeah,
I
ma'am,
want to
I like
complete a
maths.
portion very early so that we can revise.
Maths, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
maths.
So instead of covering science, we will go for maths today. Ready, everybody?
Maths.
Coming, Fatima, tell me, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Actually, I wanted to know that which chapters are going to come for the exams.
Okay. Actually, madam.
It will be.
Yeah. Please.
It will be keeping healthy the senses, or it will be introducing force or flowering plants.
Okay. Just a
Because
moment,
they did
madam.
not give the exams for that both also, na?
Could you please pardon?
This is which period?
Like they did not finish the exam for flowering plants.
Yes, actually, just now while talking
Also,
to
na?
you, I'm referring to the syllabus that I have shared on Google Classroom regarding their assessments. Is Unit 5 and 6. Unit 5, the senses, and Unit 6, keeping healthy, only till diet and exercise part. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, Bushra, today's date is
Like
I'm
managing
trying to...
food and all will not come.
No, ma'am, that we will cover up later. But only Unit 5, complete Unit 5, and Unit 6 only keeping healthy. Okay, and keeping healthy also till diet and exercise also only. Okay, I'm trying to cover up the syllabus. I mean, probably before the end of this week, so that they can get time to revise, and do not worry about the assessments. It won't be any high or any very extraordinary level of assessments. It would just cover whatever they have studied during the classes.
Okay, it will be like multiple choice question, or you have to write the answers.
It will be mixed up. It will be mixed up. Actually, today I'll be giving the maths class. Tomorrow I will discuss with them what all patterns will be coming in during their exams. So I'll also update it on Google Classroom. Once I will discuss with them and I'll let them know, then I will share it on Google Classroom. Will it be fine for you, madam?
Yeah, that will be fine. And if it is possible, you can take a revision type for them.
Sure, madam. Sure. That is the reason I have taken
so
maths
that
class
they
today.
also get an example how to write the paper and all.
Sure, do not worry.
Okay.
I will take a quick revision class also. That is the reason I have started with maths only. Okay, so do not worry about that.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Thank you. For maths also, the same thing goes with maths also.
Sure, same, madam. If you can see, I have shared it on Google Classroom, all the details regarding the syllabus and all. So
yeah, I have seen that, but actually there's no paper pattern is not there, so I'm not trying to get it on.
Do not worry. I will share the pattern.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Most welcome. Okay, everybody. Let's take out a
today's
math.
date is 12.
Yes, beta, come again.
Today's date. What is today's date?
Today's date is 11th January and we are going to study today maths. Okay, coming Zahia beta. Just a moment, just a moment. Just a moment. Just give me a second, everybody. Just give me a second. Okay. Yes. Zahia, unmute, beta. Tell me.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell you that for today, since you are having maths class, I already took out all
Okay, beta. Very good, Zahia. Very good, Zahia. Okay, so everybody, I'm giving you 1 minute, okay? Just 1 minute. Everybody, please take out your maths notebook. Quickly, 1 minute of time you all are having.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
beta.
already removed it.
Yes, beta.
I don't have maths book.
Those who are not having your maths notebook, beta, you can take out your rough notebook and later you can make it the fair one. Okay? But then you take out any rough sheet, refer to any rough sheet, and then you can make it to fair. Okay?
12-11 no?
11-1-2020.
11
January 2022.
11 20.
It is 11 January.
But Hamza is saying it's 21.
It's 11 January. Zahia. Good afternoon, Hamza Qureshi. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. Quickly take out your maths
Ma'am, I
notebook.
am Hamza Iqbal.
Yes, Hamza beta. Take out your maths notebook, Hamza beta.
Ma'am, I already.
Very good. Those who are all set with their maths notebook, that's completely very good. Because the next 30 seconds we are going to study.
30 seconds. That's it. That's this, Mama. That's your notebook. Ma'am, can you please show me the page number?
Yes, beta, sure. Just a
Chapter we are
moment.
studying.
We are not referring to any particular page number. I'll be just giving you a quick revision of it. Yes, beta, tell me. First, let me mute all of you and then you can raise your hand and I'll come to you one by one.
Ma'am, I have to tell you something before you put us on mute mode.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Ma'am, can you please tell the page number of the chapter which we are studying? So
Beta, we are not referring to any particular page number, or if you want, you can refer to page number 80 or 81. 81 or 82. Okay, so if you remember in our previous classes, we studied about remainders, right? We studied about remainders. So similarly, we are going to practice it today and then we will finish off with our syllabus of this coming assessment. And then from tomorrow, we will go to the science subject. Okay, and then we'll see what more is left and how long we can, how sooner we can complete it. Okay. Do not scribble, please. Everybody, please put today's date over your notebook. Today is 11th January. Just a moment. Do not scribble over the screen, please. Okay, so if you remember, we were doing about the remainders in our previous classes. What are remainders? Who can tell me what are remainders? What are remainders? Who can tell me what are remainders? Yes, Fatima.
Remainders are the ones who are left out.
Hamza Iqbal, please tell me what are remainders. Hamza Iqbal, unmute and tell me what are remainders.
Remainders is that I am taking group of a thing and one is left. That call is remainder.
Okay. Now then, if you are knowing, then why not we write over a notebook? Yes, Taha, unmute and tell me what are remainders.
Ma'am, the remainder is
यार आप कहाँ भागा था बड़ा में?
we do in two groups. One has no group.
Very
It is
good.
remainder.
Very good, Taha. So now everybody write this down over your notebook. Suppose, let me think what type of question I can give it to you. Suppose 4 apples are put in group of 2.
मम्मा की नोटबुक दे दीजिए.
Okay, suppose 4 apples are put in group of 2. Then how many groups will be there? Dash, 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 dash. Group, let me see who can give me the answer. Dash group. And what will be remainder? Who can give me the answer? Yes, Fatima Ansari, tell me.
There will be no remainder.
Yes, Zaya, unmute.
You
Tell
have
me,
to
Zaya.
write down everything.
Yes, beta, you need to write down everything because listen attentively. This type of question will come in your exam. Okay, so write it down in your notebook so that you can also refer to your book. Similar type of question is given in your book, so you can practice it more and more. Okay. Everybody, take your time, but write this line on your notebook. Everybody, Fatima, Taha, Zahia, Hamza Iqbal, Qureshi, Bushra, Sanaya, Yusuf, Rizan, Nabil, Shovik, Abdul. Everybody, write it down on your notebook. Let me come to Shovik, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Shovik, can you tell me, beta, 4 apples are put in group of 2. Okay. Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose, just a moment. Okay. Suppose 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple and 4 apple. Okay. These 4 apples you need to put in group of 2, 2. Okay. So how many groups will be there, Shovik?
Ma'am, 2 groups.
Very good. 2 groups. Any remainders, beta?
No, ma'am.
Excellent, Shavik. Very good. Okay, let me come to Bushra and Mute and tell me 4 apples are put in group of 2, 2. So how many groups will be there?
4.
4 apples are there. It is put in group of 2,
2, 2.
2 groups. And how many remainders?
Remainders.
Is there any remainder over here? Just you can look here on the screen and you can get to know, beta. Is there any remainder, any left out apple over here? Any apples left over here? Listen, Bushra, there were 4 apples. You had put these 4 apples in group of 2, 2. So 2 apples in one group and 2 apples in one group. So you told me that, ma'am, there are 2 groups. Absolutely right. So 4 apples are already occupied. 2 in one group, 2 in other group. So is there any left out apple, Bushra? Or no apples left? Bushra, did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
How many apples left out when 4 apples are put in group of 2? You're not listening, Bushra. Sanaya, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanaya, 4 apples put in group of 2. 2. How many groups?
2 groups.
Very good. And is there any remainder over left?
No.
Very good, Sanaya. Okay. Rizan, coming to you. Just a moment.
Now I'm done writing.
Very good, everybody. Please write. Yes, Yusuf, tell me.
Ma'am, I want to done writing.
Okay. Good, Fatima. Yusuf, unmute and tell me. How many group and how many remainder? Same type of question might come in your exam, okay?
Group is 2 and remainder no reminder.
Very good. Very good. Let me see if others can answer me or not. Zahia answered me. Very good. Hamza Qureshi, please unmute and tell me the answer. How many group and how many remainder?
Not a remainder.
Yes, beta. How many groups when 4 apples are put in group of 2? 2. And how many groups?
How many groups? Groups are there. 2 groups.
Good. And remainder?
0.
Very good. Yes, Taha, unmute and tell me the answer. Taha, 4 apples put in group of 2, 2. How many group and how many remainders? Taha, unmute Taha.
There are no remainder.
Okay, good. And group?
2.
Okay. Now 9. Just look here. 9. Oh, yes, 9. 9 cakes are put in group of 9 cakes. 9 cakes are put in group of 4, 4. Okay, 9 cakes are put in group of 4. Then now tell me how many group and how many remainder? Let me see who can give me the answer. For this, I will be coming first to Rizan. Rizan, Hamza, Iqbal. This time coming to you first. Rizan, Hamza, I'll be coming for the answer to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, Rizan and Hamza Iqbal. Hamza Qureshi, quickly write it down.
Okay, ma'am.
If you are facing any hurdle or any problem finding out the group or remainder, just simply draw 9 cakes, no? So quickly draw 9 circles on your notebook. And I told it group of 4. So just draw 9 circles and underline group of 4, 4. And then see, is there any remainder left and how many groups are there? Let me come to this time. Okay, Rizan unmute. Rizan unmute. Rizan. Rizan, unmute Rizan. Yes, Rizan. Rizan, I think your network connectivity is not good, beta. I cannot hear anything from your hand. Hamza Iqbal, unmute.
Ma'am, it is one reminder.
And how many group?
4 group.
4 group. It is already in group of 4. Means 4 cakes in one group, beta. In group of 9 cakes in group of 4, 4, 4. So you need to put 4 cakes in one group. Again, 4 cakes in one group. Then tell me how many groups?
It is no reminder.
No remainder. Fatima, unmute and tell me.
There is one remainder, and
Group?
there are 4, and there are 2 groups, and there is one remainder.
Hamza Iqbal, what you can do is you draw 8 circles on your notebook and underline 4 circles so that it means you're putting 4 cakes in one group and then again 4 cakes in one group, and then see if there is any other cake left out, because it is saying 9 cakes are put in group of 4, 4. Taha, unmute and tell me the answer if you know. Yusuf coming next to you. Taha, unmute and tell me if you know the answer. Come in, Shobit. Yes, Taha.
Yes, ma'am.
9 cakes put in group of 4. Then how many groups and how many remainder?
Ma'am, 4 groups and 1 remainder.
Not 4 group, beta. You need to put, see the question. 9 cakes are put in group of 4. Means it is put in group of 4 cakes. 4 cakes in one group and 4 cakes in other group.
Ma'am, 2 groups.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, very good, Hamza. Taha. 2.
ma'am, can I say here is 1 group.
One
There is
remainder.
one remainder.
Very good. Yes, Shavik, unmute and tell me.
Ma'am,
Shavik, yeah.
9 cakes are put in a group of 4 cakes.
Yes. Then how many groups? 9 cakes are put in group of 4 cakes, then 4 cakes. So is there any, then how many groups, Shavik? And how many remainder? Let me see who can tell me.
Ma'am, 1 remainder.
Very good. And how many group, beta?
This is my bag. 4 group.
No, beta, not 4 group. Question is saying that 9 cakes are put in group of 4 cakes. Means they are put in group of 4. means group of 4 cakes together, then again group of 2 cakes together. Understood, Shavik? Shavik, did you understand?
This is my life.
Honestly, what is teacher? Did you write that?
Yeah, I know the whole question. I am the only one who answer it.
Shavik, did you understand, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, how many groups? How many groups, Shavik? Hamza, Qureshi, unmute and tell me. Yes, 2 groups.
Ma'am, 2 groups.
Very good. Hamza, Qureshi, unmute and tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
How many group and how many remainder?
2 groups
And
and zero. And one remainder.
very good. Yusuf, unmute and tell me the answer.
Then there are 2 groups and 1 remainder.
Very good. Nabil, unmute. Nabil, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Nabil, did you write both the 2 questions on your notebook?
No, ma'am.
Have you started writing, Nabil?
Yes.
Okay, beta. First write it down. Then I will come to you. Sanaya, did you understand the question? This type of questions will be coming during your exams. Bushra, unmute.
Ma'am, Bushra, can I say
Yeah, sure.
2 groups and 1 remainder?
Okay, so did you understand? When I say 9 cakes are put in group of 4, it means 4 cakes in one group and then again 4 cakes in one group. Okay. Sanaya, are you there? Sanaya, Hamza Iqbal. Okay, good. Hamza Iqbal, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Hamza Iqbal, did you understand?
Ma'am, I understand normally, not perfectly.
Not perfectly. Okay, very good, Zahia. Okay, okay. See, Hamza, whenever I tell you, suppose I tell you, Hamza, that Hamza, 5 chocolates are put in the group of 2 chocolates. Okay. Okay. So it means you have to make 2 groups. Okay, beta.
Okay.
Okay, but when I say 5 chocolates are put in group of 5 chocolates are put in group of 4. Okay, beta.
Okay.
Are you listening to me, Hamza Iqbal?
Yes.
Okay, beta. Listen, everybody, those who are having confusion, I'm explaining you once again. Suppose when I say 5 chocolates are put in group of 4, it means you have to, out of these 5 chocolates, you have to put group of 4 chocolates together. Group means, when I say group, what does group means? Group of anything, group of 2, 3, 4, 5 means you have to put those many things together. Suppose group of 2 means 2 things together. Group of 7 means 7 things together. I said group of 4 cakes means 4 cakes together. I said group of 4 chocolates means 4 chocolates in one group. Understood, Hamza, now?
Yes.
So when I say 5 chocolates are put in group of 4 chocolates, 5 chocolates are put in group of 4. Then how many group will be there, Hamza?
It will be, ma'am, one.
Very good. And remainder?
It will be also 1.
Very good. Excellent. Now you understood, my boy. Now, Sanaya, did you understand, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Sanaya, for the second
I'm done
question.
writing.
Okay. Okay, Sanaya, written very good. Zahia, unmute and tell me, beta, did you understand?
I didn't understand the remainder.
You didn't understand remainder, no problem, Sanaya. I'm explaining to everyone once again. Look here, Sanaya. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diamonds. Okay, beta. There are 5
Okay.
diamonds over here. And I ask you, Sanaya, that Sanaya, first of all, Sanaya, remember, whenever I tell you group of anything, any number, suppose I tell you group of 2, group of 3, group of 5, group of 20, group of 60, 70, 100 means you have to put those many numbers together in one group. Group means what? Group means you have to put those many things together in one group. Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose I tell you, Sanaya, you put a group of 2 means you have to put 2 things in one group. Okay, beta. Suppose I tell
Okay.
you, Sanaya, out of your 5 fingers, you put these 5 fingers in group of 2, 2. So means you need to put these 2 fingers in one group. Again, these 2 fingers in one group. Understood, beta? Because
Yes.
I said you group of 2. Okay. Then if you are putting out of these 5, you're putting group of 2 fingers together. One group. Come on, do with me, Sanaya. 2 in one group. Again, 2 in one group. And 1 is left out.
Ma'am, see now I have 4 diamonds.
5 diamonds.
Two,
5
5
diamonds. 5 diamonds. Now you circle the
2,
yes.
2
Yes.
groups.
Yes. Understood.
So I have
Yes. So the 1 diamond that is left out, no, Sanaya, that is called remainder.
yes.
Understood, beta, now? I
Yes.
am putting 2 diamonds in one group
You
because
teach me and when I'm in my mom's family.
okay. Beta, if I say 5 diamonds in group of 4, 5 diamonds in group of 4. So how many diamonds you will put in one group?
2,
How come 2?
5,
No. Listen once again.
4.
5, yes, 5 diamonds. Out of these 5 diamonds are put in group of 4. In a group of 4 diamonds means you need to put 4 diamonds in one group. See, I have put 4 diamonds in one group. Then also 1 diamond is left out, and this is my remainder. Understood? Is it clear to you, Sanaya? Nabil,
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
and tell me, beta. Now is it clear to you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're still writing. Okay, complete the writing part first. Who else left out? Abdul Azim, unmute and tell me, did you understand, beta? Such type of questions will be coming during your exam. So you need to be thorough with it. Yes, Abdul, please unmute. Abdul, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abdul. Did you understand the type of question when I say group of 2, group of 4, group of 7, what does it mean?
Yes.
So when I say, Abdul, 4 apples are put in group of 4. Okay, Abdul. Abdul, please first put on your video and please unmute yourself, beta. Every time in every class, beta, your video is completely off and you are on mute. That is not a problem, but every time your video is off. In every class, beta, I have to completely repeat. Abdul, please put on your video, beta. How I can understand whether you are understanding or not? Tell me, Abdul. How will I get to know whether you are studying or you are playing or you are sleeping? Tell me, beta. Put on your video, Abdul. I need to see you, Abdul. Yes. Now first show me your notebook. How far have you written, beta?
Ma'am, I don't have pencils, so that's why I doesn't write.
Okay. Where are you? Are you at your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then is there anybody at your home?
Yes.
Okay. Can you call anybody whosoever is at your home? Abdul, please. Okay. Rest others. Let me come to you one by one. Shavik, unmute, tell me, do you want to say anything? That's all for today, beta. Just you need to be thorough with this type of question. Yes, Shavik, tell me. Shavik, your video is also remaining off these days, beta. Shavik, unmute. Shavik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Your video is also remaining off these days. Abdul and Shavik's video, most time both of yours video is off. How will I get to know, Shavik? Tell me, you only tell me, how will I get to know whether Abdul and Shavik is studying or not studying? Tell me. First, tell me, Shavik, have you completed writing part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Yusuf, unmute and you tell me.
What, ma'am?
Did you understand, Yusuf? Have you completed writing, beta?
Yes, ma'am. What we have to do in the dot dot?
Okay, that dot dot is just blank. You need to write the answer on that. Okay.
What we have to do in first one?
Like in the first one, 4 apples are put in group of 2. So how many groups? There will be 2 groups. I filled this blank. How many remainders? There will be 0 remainder. Second one, 9 cakes are put in group of 4 cakes. So how many groups, Yusuf?
2.
How many remainder?
1.
Simple. I have just filled it. Okay. Now, Zayan Newton, tell me, did you understand? Zaya, please unmute.
Ma'am, I understand everything what you say, but I
Excellent.
have one query.
Yeah, sure.
My query is that in the exams, whatever you're going to be telling us, new things or older things, it's all going to be coming in the exams.
Come again, please.
All the new things which we learn, matlab if we are learning new things and we are learning old things also, matlab if I learn something new, we repeat it in one time and then we are learning the older things, will the new things also come in the exam?
Okay, listen, Zaya. Whatever we studied in maths till today means today we have studied about division and remainder. So till today, whatever we have studied, will come in your exams, and syllabus I have updated in on Google Classroom. So do check it out from there regarding syllabus and what we have studied, what will be coming in your exams. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Sanaya, unmute and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
And ma'am, my turn
Do
has
you want to
it
ask
come
anything?
yet. Ma'am, my turn has it come yet. That there are 10. There
Just
are
a
10
moment,
covered.
Zaya. Just a moment. Yes, 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 Sanaya. Tell me. Done, Sanaya. Very good. Very good, Sanaya. Excellent.
Ma'am, I am also done.
Good, Nabil. Nabil, did you understand the concept?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now I hope everybody has written and everybody understood how we need to find out, how we need to make groups and how we need to find out the remainders. Is it clear to each one of you? You can show me thumbs up and then quickly I will end today's session. Okay. Rizan, Bushra, Zahia, come on. Tell me if you understand. You can show me thumbs up. Okay, good one. Abdul, are you there? Put on your video. Good, Fatima. Good, Bushra. Okay, everybody can leave the class. Okay, Abdul, can you hear me, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abdul. Is there anybody with you right now? Can you please let me talk to anyone that is available of your home? Nobody is available at your home.
No.
Have you written anything on your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me your notebook, please? Good, Zahia. Yes, Nabil, unmute. Tell me.
Ma'am, which one writing? Ma'am,
Have you-
can I leave?
Yeah, sure. Everybody can leave. Even Abdul will be also leaving. Just I'm talking to Abdul. I'm taking 1 minute of Abdul. So everybody else, you can leave the class, beta. Not a problem. Yes, Abdul, dear. Yeah, Zahia, you can also leave.
Yes, ma'am.
Abdul, have you written anything on your notebook?
No.
No. Then today I need to talk to your parents, beta. How will you give your exams? You are not understanding what we are studying, beta. Okay, Abdul.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, dear.
because I don't have pencil.
Okay, Abdul. Okay, I'll ask your parent to arrange a pencil and a notebook and everything for you so that you can study without any problem. Okay, Abdul?
Okay.
Okay. See you, everybody. Bye-bye.